Alright, so I was ill prepared to do a vlog today because tomorrow is my music recital and I'm like bouncing off the walls. My mom just flew in today to come to my recital, so I'm still bouncing off the walls. And we went shopping, and I told y'all a while ago that that it was this beautiful dress that I fell in love with that I couldn't fit because it wouldn't go across my chest. It was still at the store. I tried it on and I could fit it this time. So I'm like bouncing off the walls. Guess what happened on top of that? This happened. My dress from LolitaWardrobe.com arrived, and I'm about to explain. So I figured let's just get I'm either going to have a fantabulous day or I'm going to be sobbing silently. Actually, I won't be sobbing because if I can fit into that dress that I got, that I fell in love with, if I could fit into that now and in February I couldn't fit into it. So hopes, dreams, eternal for this, cause, and I'll show you that. I'm not gonna put it on, but I'll show y'all the dress that I got that I was in love with. But let's unbox this puppy, shall we? Oh, I wasn't expecting an unboxing. This is just, this has been a horrible, horrible, horrible week. Horrible. At best, horrible. And today has just been so wonderful. And I'm so happy for it. Okay, so this is the underskirt I ordered. So, Aurora and Ariel. Hold on, yeah, y'all getting that. Yeah, you see, yeah. Aurora and Ariel. So, it's like a football. You can go long with this thing. So, oh, it's taped. I don't know why I'm surprised. Oh, but the tape is the Aurora and Ariel. I don't want to cut that. See? That's the tape. So, we'll do this underskirt unboxing first. I told y'all my underskirts are like 400 or 500 million years old and I needed some new ones. So, or a new one. So, oh wow, this is pretty fluffy. Look at, oh, it's got that from China smell. But it's pretty fluffy. It's kind of short though. But if you ever wanted to know, I'm only 5'3". So, and I don't know what centimeter. Oh, that's cute. It comes with like a little tag thing with the little. I know she's kind of blurry, but yep. And that's the information for Aurora and Ariel. And I don't know, it might be squeezing the life out of me, but again, we're still losing weight and it won't be for long. I'm finally today broke under 190. I was 189 today. So, I'm telling you, this has been a banner day for Achan. Achan's banner day. So, I will try that on when I try the other thing on. And yes, I'm going to break a Lolita rule. I probably will be showing you the underskirt when it's on. So, but that's pretty fluffy. They said it was the super poof. So, don't get no poofier than this. So far, I'm just worried about the sizing because that don't seem like that's going real far. So, but what we all came here to see was forbidden, forgotten, amnesia, hidden, forbidden, forgotten, hidden, amnesia, something garden. And that is this. Oh, oh, oh my god. Comes in a zippy bag, which you're gonna unzippy. And, oh, wait a minute. We'll start with this stuff. Okay, the components for it. Let's open this first, because we might need these. These might be necessary components. Where is the thing? Ah, I know where this goes. This goes on the front of the dress to hang there. What do these do? Up. We already got a little bit of a pickle here, but this is an easy fix. One of the, or did it? Yeah, one of the clasps came off. See, when the class came off. That's seriously an easy fix. So I have hemostats. So I'll be using the hemostats to fix this. But here, let me put you back since we have a little situation here. What is this? Because this wasn't the corseted front. This was some other one. Oh, and this is, I guess this is what Lemon Honey's having to offer. Bunny Nurse. And they call it, okay, Lemon Honey is calling it Forgotten Garden. So we will stop calling it Hidden, Forbidden, Amnesia, Amnesiac, Obscure Garden. So they call it, Lemon Honey's calling it Forgotten Garden. We will call it Forgotten Garden. So I don't know what these are for though. So let's get to the unveiling of the Lemon Honeyness. Oh, I'm starting to get scared because this is my first off-the-rack, non-custom Lolita dress from China. I've gotten, like, I have 2 Baby to Starshine Bright items. I have, like, a red bunny apron or pinafore, whatever it's called. And I have that pink one that I got at Kawaii Con. And I have a Metamorphosis dress down here. So shoot, I should have asked my mom to bring me the other one. Oh well, too late. But yeah, this is my first off the rack Chinese Lolita dress, and it's looking mondo adorable. Oh my god. I'm scared to try it because I'm scared. It's got a, oh, that's what it's for. The string is for. I'm probably not gonna be using it, but yeah, it's got a little bit of the stretchy in the back, and that's what that I told you I didn't know what that ribbon was for. Is for this. So I'm scared. Don't fear the Reaper, Achan. Just go for it. Oh, okay. Let me talk about the construction. It has buttons, 2 buttons for the, to like, if you're like, you need longer, like a little bit of a longer strap, it's got buttons for that. The shearing looks really, or stretchy, because I don't think I'm saying it right, and I know people get miffed about that, but that looks good. It's lined. At least the bodice is. Nope, the whole thing is lined. So, and I said I would start talking about construction too. So the whole bodice is lined. This lace is really pretty. It's been serged. Cause when I wear the Ujiya blouse a lot, which I'm probably gonna be wearing it with this. The Ujiya stuff was not lined, and no, it was lined, but it wasn't serged. It was just like a basic stitch, and that I did not like. So this has a basic stitch, but it was like folded in and stuff. So that's really nice. The material's really light. It doesn't have a from China smell, but it doesn't have a normal smell either. It smells like somebody was like smoking cigarettes, but it's not like cigarette-esque. I had to like, you saw I had to dig my face into it, but it's probably some triad somewhere beating on some women. Make these damn dresses big, get this shit on the market. So, it's got a bow in the front. It's probably what it was, some triads. Get some triad gear. The bow has a pin, so you can take it. It's detachable. So I'm scared, y'all. So let me go get changed and try it on, and we'll see what it's talking. Give me a bit. All right. Oh, sorry, I didn't know it was recording, but here it is in all its foofy glory. Okay. Let's start with this underskirt situation. Oh, that's the lining. Okay. This is poofy. There's no denying the maximum amount of poofage. Let me see if I can push this back so you can get a better idea of. I mean, this is max poof. Maximum poofage going on. The problem is I am squeezed so deeply into this underskirt that I can breathe, but I'm worried that I'm going to have somebody's going to cut me out of it. So I had to put it over my chest, and it was struggling getting over my chest. And it was like, please, please stop, you're hurting me. And I couldn't stop because I had committed at that point. So I'm probably going to have to get cut out of this underskirt. But this JSK is, simply put, adorable. It fits. Do not get me wrong. Up here, the stretchy is probably stretched to its maximum capacity. Max capacity. Here's the back. And yeah, you can't really see, but there's no way I can put the ribbon in there right now. It is stretched to max capacity. But I can get into it, which I would not have been able to get into pre-surgical Adrian. So, and it is soft, and it is frilly, and it is adorable, and we just gotta, like, I don't know, get a rib. Actually, I don't even need a rib removed. Like I said, there was a dress that I tried on in February that I didn't fit it, and then I fit it today. So I'm going to call this a triumph over evil and be happy in my lemon honey forgotten garden JSK. So, not to throw it at the camera, but yeah, oh my god. This unboxing was, I had no idea it was sitting here. I had no clue that it had been shipped. It had been delivered. I was thinking about this dress like 2-3 days ago, and I was like, I probably got another couple weeks before it arrives, and bam plow, it's here, and it looks cute, and I'm glad I ordered it. I am styling and whiling. So that is all for this particular Lolita vlog. Oh, I said I would show you the dress that, hang on, I gotta pause one more. I did say I would show you the dress that I couldn't fit, but fit now. Hang on. Alright, so this is the dress that I couldn't fit before that I fit now. It's a high-low, see? It's like a purple with pink at the bottom. That's the back. And when I found out I could fit into this today, my day was complete. Actually, I didn't know how complete my day was going to be till my Forgotten Garden dress came. So we are batting like real well today. We are like at peak Achan today. So that now is all that I have, and I will see y'all in the near future. I don't know if I'm going to be able to live stream my recital tomorrow, mostly because I don't know what kind of Wi-Fi availability capabilities we're going to have at this church, because the recital is at a church. So I am not exactly sure about any of that. So what I would do is I will have somebody record it, and I will slap it up on here, and if you want to watch it, you can watch it, and I can just sit there and be embarrassed all to pieces. So that is all I have, and I will see y'all next time. Later!